In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the decomposition tree visual in Power BI, a powerful feature that lets you break down complex data into insightful and manageable pieces. Imagine you're looking at a large number, perhaps total sales, and you're wondering what factors have contributed to that number. Think of the decomposition tree as a tool that helps answer those why questions by letting you explore different explanations for your data in a structured, visual way. It's particularly useful when you want to explore the nuances behind numbers, perhaps why sales are lower in a specific region or figuring out trends over time. Power BI even offers AI enhancements, guiding you on which breakdown might offer the richest insights, such as highlighting either the highest or the lowest values automatically. Now, let's delve into the creation process. First and foremost, ensure your data is ready. You'll need a measure such as total sales or the count of orders, which will serve as the focal point of your analysis. Additionally, gather the categorical fields or dimensions you want to drill down into, such as region, product category, or time period. If you're working with an older version of Power BI, you might need to enable the decomposition tree if it's not immediately visible. Navigate to File, then Options and Settings, followed by Options, and check under Preview Features to enable the decomposition tree. A quick restart of Power BI, and you'll be ready to go. To add the decomposition tree to your canvas, go to the Visualizations pane and click on the decomposition tree icon. Once you've done that, you need to assign your fields. In the Fields pane, place your chosen measure into the Analyze bucket. This is the metric that you're looking to dissect. Next, insert one or more dimensions into the Explain by bucket. These will serve as the categories or dimensions you'll explore further. With your measure in place, you'll notice a plus or expand icon, which lets you drill deeper into the data. Clicking this allows you to choose from the dimensions you listed to see the first breakdown. You can do this manually or use the AI split, where Power BI suggests which category might reveal the most insightful patterns, perhaps through high or low values. As you navigate further, you can continue to explore other nodes, diving deeper into subsequent explanations without a fixed order. You truly have the freedom to explore various paths. To fine-tune your visualization, use the Format pane to adjust visuals such as labels and colors. You also have options to enable or disable AI splits. If enabled, light bulb icons will point out suggested splits. You might also want to lock certain levels to make sure some breakdowns remain fixed for consistent viewer experiences. Finally, interacting with the tree can dynamically update other visuals, provided that interactions are set. Don't forget you can always remove paths using the little X on the level headers if you decide to streamline your view. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to navigating and maximizing the insights you can gain using the decomposition tree in Power BI.